That shit on? Oh yeah, it's on. Canyon carving tutorial. First thing you want to do is make sure you have gas.
Alright, before we dive into this video, yes, you should go to the track. You'll learn a lot. One thing that I already know is not going to happen is a lot of you guys are not going to go to the track. For one, it can be very expensive. You're looking at upwards of $300 for one track day. You are going to learn a lot of things at the track, but that doesn't necessarily mean you can't learn that on the street. Are you able to push harder at the track? Yes, for sure. You can push way harder. You shouldn't be pushing to an extreme of 100% when you're out canyon carving. Even at the track, I don't think you should be pushing it 100%, but it's a lot safer at the track. I know a lot of you guys are gonna comment, take it to the track, bro. For the guys that can't afford going to the track, this video is for you. The Beginner Street Rossi. One thing I have to recommend, a freaking suit, a riding suit. I only paid $250 for it. Found it on Craigslist. 250 bucks. It was very easy to find. You know, go to the Craigslist, go to OfferUp, motorcycle suit. You'll find something. If you don't, eBay. Body positioning, you'll learn that over time. Again, this is a beginner tutorial. This body position is different for every person, every rider, every riding style, and it's gonna be different for the type of motorcycle that you're riding. It's very subjective. I know a lot of these track guys are like BP, BP, BP. Everybody's got a different BP. Now, one crucial thing about your body when you're on the bike, I can't stress enough, is to be very loose. Ooh, this thing. So what I mean by being very loose is just being very loose on top. Don't be gripping the front too hard. Don't be too stiff around the corner. Like be very, this stand is. So in the corner you want to be able to let go of your inside hand. You're holding on with your legs. One thing to remember is you don't want to lean the bike as far as it can go, because the less contact patch that you have on your tire, the higher chance of a slide. So what you want is you want to keep the bike as upright as possible. And you don't want to be sending it your first time out, man. You really want to take your time. You want to go out, whoa. Okay. I'm getting off this shit. You don't want to be sending it your first time out. You want to just relax, take your time, take that first lap and just try to learn the road. That's one of the main things. Like, I didn't go out there doing this. My first time out, it was, you know, it took me a long time to understand that road that I ride. It might have taken me like 6 weeks, and that was like going constantly every week. You know, my very first track day, that is what I learned. Slow is fast, fast is slow. Wait, what? Let's get on to this video. I hope this helps you guys. Again, be relaxed on the bike and just enjoy the ride. Take your time learning the canyons and you'll eventually get really fast at riding. Keep it under 100%. Keep it at 80% of your ability and you'll be fine.
Here we go. It's nice and easy. I'm not leaned over too far. This is what you want to do. You want to take it easy on your first run. This is not really where it starts, but this is kind of where I get a feel for the bike. Here we go, right-hander, slow it down, no brake this time, and I'm just I have the bike kind of upright and I'm just feeling it. I'm just feeling it to see how stable it is around the corner. Yeah, I'm not going crazy, I'm in third gear. RPMs are really low. And it feels good. It feels good. The bike feels stable. So right now I'm going to build up confidence for the next turn. Now I know this road very well, so I am kind of going at it pretty quick, but still not normally as quick as I normally would. Just because it's a bike I've never been on this road before. Right here I'm going to downshift the second because it's a really slow one, and again, feel it out. Look, nice and slow. Okay, not bad, not bad. Woo. Man, this quick shifters, it's really rough.
Sorry, wind.
This quick shifter is really rough. Okay, so one of the things you really have to keep in mind is to be really relaxed. I mean, anytime you're riding a motorcycle, you should be relaxed. Don't be gripping the grips like too stiff. Don't be stiff. You know, if you have to be really comfortable on the motorcycle, especially when you're out in the canyons. When you're out here canyon carving, being comfortable, being loose on the bike, it actually gives you a benefit. Because being tight, being you know, like look, I can let go of my hand, my outside hand, whereas some people, you know, are very tense. And being tense when you're canyon carving, it's 9 times out of 10 that's why people wreck, in my opinion, in the canyons, because they're tense. And again, I'm gonna shift down, nice and easy, nice and relaxed. I can let go of my hand. See that? Nice and slow right here. Cars coming. Yeah, waving at that guy. I shouldn't have. Don't be waving while you're in a corner, right? Fuck it. No point. Okay, this one's really, really hard right, or right, left. And then this is the bridge coming up. I don't even fuck around here because it's just weird. See, look at that guy cross the double. Yeah, don't even mess around on that bridge. Don't, like, there's gonna be areas where you're like, you know what, I'm gonna go really slow here just in case. Okay, now we're at the chip seal and we're coming up to the start of my canyons. These canyons are really fun, and I've ridden here many times. I've crashed once. I want to say Jazz has crashed once. Darth once out here. This is a really nice long straight. This is what we consider turn 1. And I'm just going to keep it in 1 gear the whole time, hopefully. Depending on... No, here, let's see. Downshift to 2. Lean, look. Relax, nice and easy, throttle. Okay. Again, this one I would lean really hard right here, but now I'm taking it easy, just kind of getting a feel. Alright. Here we go. That was a cop right there. And again, nice and easy right here. There's no point in pushing it, really. You want to take your time. I haven't been here in a long time, man, and you know, I can push this bike hard, but I don't know what it likes to do. I just don't have a general feel for the bike yet. So really, I'm taking it extremely easy. Usually I'm out here doing 80%, which is pretty quick. Riding 80%. I'm also talking to you guys, but I can't concentrate. I'm the worst at multitasking. That's probably why I never did the chin vlogging thing very much before. But I'm definitely trying, because I know that it's a very popular thing. And I'm growing to like it. I'm growing to like it. Here we go. This one's a really slow right. And there's like a little dip in here somewhere. There it is, right there. Oh god, I need downshift. See, I wasn't even paying attention. But basically, you want to try to learn your road. So right now I'm in 2nd. Usually on the R1 I'd be in 3rd most of the time. So maybe this bike likes 2nd gear, we'll see. Let's try keeping it in 2nd, okay? Give it a little bit of a push right here. These are really bumpy spots. Okay, so it's pretty much a straight, and then here's a hard left, and there's some debris. That's why you don't want to push the first time. There could be debris from the winter time, and I'm taking it extremely easy. I'm watching, I'm looking ahead, looking for cars. I'm not even really that close to the outside or the inside. I'm staying generally in the center of the lane. You know, here we go, downshift 1. Okay. Now this turn I don't really remember. Again, this is my first time, and I'm just trying to remember this road. Okay, this is a hard left. No brakes here. Cars, see, pedestrians, people here. There's people here hanging out. That's why you want to take it easy. This is where we used to practice, right here. And I would hang out right here on the side and get these guys riding. Again, I'm very relaxed. Okay. I'm not tipping the bike down. I'm just getting a general feel. Here we go. See? There was a truck there. Okay. Very slow. Slower than I normally would. Right here you can push it a little bit. Nice and open. Not a lot of blind spots. And that's pretty much the end of it. This right turn and then a left. And then I turn around. There's a turnaround point. It's like a post office. So here's the right. And then the left. And that's it. I know this road very well. And that's why I don't know, I'm very relaxed when I'm out here doing this road. Hey, reopening, that's kind of cool. Okay. Again, we're just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait for these cars to pass. Let me talk to you guys for a sec. Okay, so a couple things I wanted to mention. Like, when you're out here messing around, you really got to be careful. I think for me, it's always, the goal is always to go home, because, you know, I have kids, I have a family. And even if you don't have kids or a family, you have people that care about you, that want you to go home. So when you're out here trying to learn these canyons, don't be pushing it like 100, man. It's not a race. There's no prize at the end of it. And if you go down doing something stupid, it's you know, it's a shame, because especially right now, like if I get hurt right now, it's the start of the season, and there goes my riding season, most likely. So definitely want to take into account safety. All right, that's it for this tutorial. Again, it's just remember two things. Just remember two things: safety, going home, and you'll be all right. The key thing here is just to come out here and have fun and enjoy. Like, look how quiet. Look how quiet that is. This is why I love coming out here. I just love doing a few passes and then just chilling. One of these days I'm gonna bring like a sandwich or something and just come out here, eat my sandwich, go home.